Hey everyone, welcome to this channel again, and today I'm going to show you how can you install Flutter for your Mac OS. I have searched lots of videos and lots of documentations and tutorials, but there are no simple way to install the Flutter applications. Those are trying to complex the installation of Flutter. Today I'm going to show you how can you simply install Flutter and use path for the installation of Flutter. So what is the problem you are facing? You can see that lots of way you can use Flutter to install. To install Flutter, first of all you have to go to their documentation. I recommend to use their documentation because the Flutter documentation is well defined. So I'm going to just Flutter, searching on it Google Flutter. Then you can go to any of the link, then just click on get started, and after clicking on get started you will see this type of windows. And when you click on Mac OS, this is the current device. You can choose iOS and Android, any of them, no problem. I'm choosing iOS. It's not problem to install. And you can see some recommendation and some requirement of those. Recommend 8 GB RAM, memory 16 GB. Okay, but I am using 8 GB RAM on Mac OS. Then first of all you have to agreement with their license, so that you can just copy it and open terminal and paste it here. And password, sorry, password is incorrect. Yeah, this is done. First step, it is a simple step. Then you have to install Xcode, Android Studio. You can do that. I'm going to just install the how can you install the Flutter? Okay, then click on it. In by default the selected in this tab, you can just select download and install tab, then click on Apple Silicon. Okay, then just click on it. It will automatically install the app. Okay, I have. Okay, let's see the installation. It's take too much time, so I clear it. I already installed app Flutter. This is the Flutter. So I create a folder on my username. Here is the folder name is, which one I created the folder, development folder. Created development folder and unzip it like this, Flutter, and copy it to the development. You can see that my username and development, you can just put it on development. Simple. Then go back to the documentation, and you don't need to unzip it. You automatically you can unzip it on your Mac OS manually. It's far better. Then click on this path. If you don't add this path, you will see this type of error. If I making it bigger, view, no problem. You can see that JSS command not found Flutter. Okay, how can you solve that? To solve that, we'll go to finder again, then select our username. This is my username. You can select username. Then if you can check, if I click on bigger screen, okay, then you can see that lots of hidden file are there. How can you toggle the hidden file? You can see that no hidden file showing here. Then you can click on command shift and dot. You will see that all the hidden file. Then you can find dot jet profile, like jet profile or JSHRC, this file, or like this type of file dot jet profile. If you find one of them, then click on it, and if you not find any of them, then you have to create like dot JSHRC. Okay, then open it. Okay, you have opened. I have already selected lots of path in here. Then just paste that line, export path home development flutter, this development folder we have created, and paste the flutter there, and that bin file, then bin folder. Okay, then just command S to save it and close it, and just delete the terminal, quit, and open the terminal again, and click on flutter. You will see that flutter is added. There are no error message in here, right? This is the simple process how can you install flutter on your macOS. Thank you.